Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little visitor over here. She's telling me, Mom, I'm not gonna say anything. I really won't. And she's like totally making me laugh, but that's okay. Boxycharm for August 2019. I did do a sneak peek of this because I was on Instagram just, liking posts, and I was like, oh my gosh, this box actually looks really good. I'm like, Brooke, go get my box, because we just had gotten home from Florida. I didn't open it yet. Well, hi there, little love. Someone came to visit. You want to say hi, Stella? Yeah, hi. Hi. It's Stella Bella. She's like, Mom, what are you doing to me? So I had Brooke go get it for me. Oops. And then we opened it because I couldn't wait anymore. And then I decided I should make a video. So again, if you're new to my channel, or new to Boxycharm, it's a great subscription. You get monthly. I think it's up to like $22 and some change. It did start off at $20, but over the years they've gone up a little bit. But you get 5 full-size products. It's totally worth it. And if you did not yet, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so that you're notified anytime I make a video. And like this video too. All right, so here. Let's see, this one was called Totally Boxycharm. Super cute. And we get a Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, Big Ego Mascara, Pure the Complexion Authority Pink Glitter Mask, Lashaholics Instaglam False Eyelashes. So, oh my gosh. The first thing on the list is this Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. Like, looking at it, it looks great. But 50% water. I don't know how something's made of 50% water that's in a powder form. But let's take a look. So, Becca. And my fingerprints are all over it. Sorry. It says, keep me closed to keep me cool. So obviously you don't want to leave this open at all. And it looks like, oh, there's a little lid that pops, and then this little white thing. Ooh. Wow, that feels so weird on my skin. Like, legit weird. Doesn't it feel weird? Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna just take a brush and I'm gonna put some on and just see what it does. Because you can refresh makeup, and I did do my, oh my god, it totally feels like I'm putting water on my face. Wow, that's so weird. It does, it feels like water.
You're on my face.
Okay, just, doesn't it feel like water?
It feels wet.
It feels wet, and it's not. It's a powder. So that's very interesting.
But you don't get a lot, it looks like.
Well, you do, and it just, when I opened it up, it like shook all the way through the top, and now it's like getting everywhere. I'm just gonna take this off because it's not gonna shut now. But when it touches your skin, it feels like you're getting wet with water. It's so weird.
Like, you can touch it here.
I've never seen anything like it before. So, keep me closed to keep me cool. Obviously, because if it's part 50% water, I would assume that it would evaporate. Right? Like, that's what I would think. But I feel like this is going to be super messy. But, very cool. I don't know really what it did for my skin, if you can even tell a difference. But it was weird. Like, it totally feels weird. Okay. Next is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil.
Did you even get an oil?
Did I not get it?
Oh, it's on the floor.
Oh, it fell out. I'm like, okay.
Whenever you had it.
Weird. Okay, this is by Wander Beauty. Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And it brings out the skin's inner radiance with illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity. And it has beauty oils and antioxidants, help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. I have really oily skin anyways, so these face oils like kind of freak me out. But I'll have to try it and see what it does. Yeah, because I just don't want to add anything more that's oily to my face, because my face is already oily.
Oh, it looks like it's like pure oil.
Ooh, it's
oh no, it's pink.
Pink and shimmery.
Wait, what is it again?
It's pink and shimmery.
What is it supposed to do? You rub it in?
It is supposed to prime the skin and help it restore its moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow.
Oh, it does.
And it doesn't smell bad, but it's supposed to prime your face, and it does feel moisturizing, so that'll probably be cool. And you use it 1 drop at a time. It's like a spill-proof dropper inside there, so it's supposed to make it easy for you to apply it, so you're not like wasting product. And next is Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Love the packaging. I am excited about this. However, I've been having a dermatitis breakout on my eye all summer long. It's like in the inner corner of my left eye. I had to use a steroid cream on it. I did go to the dermatologist. It keeps flaring back up. So right now I have Vanaply on there, which is a great eyelid moisturizer. It's kind of like a Aquaphor feeling, like Vaseline type. And it's just super itchy. So I've not been putting eyeshadow on very much at all summer long. So the mascara I'm excited about because I can try it. It says Confidence Booster Brush, Twisted Double Fiber Bristles for Max Pigment Load, Lash Loving Ingredients.
Like it shows a before and after
says
picture.
Filaments.
Did they see that?
And it does show a before and after. So if I didn't already have mascara on, I would try it on. But this is in the shade Black, and I just love the hot pink. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. How cute. And it's like hefty. This is like major. And it feels great.
Oh.
You can see the bristles on there.
Oh snap.
Doesn't smell bad. I always smell mascaras for some reason because some of them are really weird. But that looks awesome. So I will try that for sure. And then that was $23. The Wander was $42 for this.
Did you actually
and the
have to pay
Becca
that
is
much?
$39. No, I pay $22 a month. And I get 5 full-size products. It's really a great deal. Okay, the next thing is the pink, glitterly pink. It says Pure Times Barbie. And it is. Every boss girl deserves a pamper session. And this brightening peel-off masks helps deep clean pores, exfoliate away dead skin, and deliver immediate radiance for a healthy looking glow that lasts. So you would generously apply this to clean dry skin. Leave mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Starting at the outer edges, gently peel it off in a downward motion. Rinse off any residue with warm water. It can be applied 2 to 3 times a week. So, I think Brooke and I are going to try this tonight. This has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng.
Licorice.
Yeah. So, I'm not a licorice fan. So
I like
wonder what
red
it smells
licorice.
like. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Wow.
Oh my god. It's like a
hot pink.
Wait, let me smell. I want to see if it smells.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be so fun.
Let me
Glitterly
smell it.
pink. Barbie times
Ooh,
Pure.
it does smell like green tea. It almost smells like this.
I don't know. I can smell this because I put that illuminating oil on. But wow, look at that mask. It's glitterily pink. Love it. Okay, so that's fun. And actually, it does smell good.
Yeah, it smells like green tea.
Yeah,
Or it
or
almost smells like this, but less green tea.
ginseng. Yeah. Okay, but I'm loving the color of it. Let's just, be real. I love anything pink. Hence the shirt. It's kind of like I planned this today without the pink stuff. Okay. Lastly, Lashaholics. This is Instagram false eyelashes. Ready, set, get addicted. Boom. There's some lashes.
They come in like
They come in a very big box, which is not necessary, but it works. And it's got like a magnetic closure, which is nice.
Could you use it for something else if you took out like the...
Absolutely. Like when you travel, you can throw like lip glosses in there or little brushes if you needed to. Yeah, it's a little cute. So I would say this box is a win for sure. And I'm going to go ahead and do this glitterly pink mask tonight and see how it goes. We've done some traveling and recently, so my face is kind of a mess, but we can fix it up. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I just wanted to jump on here and show you the August Boxycharm. Again, they just keep hitting it out of the park with these brands, so I'm kind of loving it.
And you can see like the hot pink kind of through it, like almost. You see, if you put it to the light, you can kind of see it through.
Yes, you can. That's cool. So, but I love anything pink. So,
Just
all
like
right.
brushes.
I know, just like my brushes. I got brushes sitting here, and they're like pink. Yeah. And they're pink. And it's pink. Okay, enough of the pink. You get the idea. All right, so I guess that's it. I hope everybody's enjoying their last few weeks of summer. And I guess we'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.